So we have that house up in Great Falls, the rental house that we just bought, and it needs a new bathtub. But it's a strange, challenging spot because it's only 29 inches wide, and every tub that I can find on Home Depot or anywhere else, standard tubs are 30 inches wide. So I don't really have room for a tub and for the door to open all the way. So I'm headed to the ReStore, Habitat ReStore, to see if I can scrounge up a used or whatever, like standing, maybe like an old clawfoot tub or something like that. See if I can score a deal. So let's see what we find. So this place is massive. Huge. It goes on forever. Like I'm in the way back corner, but it just goes on and on and on. So I don't see any tubs. They say they don't have any tubs at the moment. I can check back. But we did find this little oven, which I'm super... Okay, so I know I came in looking for a tub. Check this thing out. I can't really tell on video, but that's a small... This is a small size oven, which might just work for that kitchen. Oh my gosh, that would be awesome. It's only $125. Okay, so get some measurements. All kinds of stuff. So that was an awesome trip. Yeah, there's a lot of good stuff in that store. It's huge. The prices are really good. Kind of wish that I would have come in here to check that out before buying all that lighting that I just ordered yesterday. But I got a good price on those too, so I think I'm good with it. That way they're all matching and everything. So yeah, now I'm just I'm gonna head off to the coffee shop and do a little bit of thinking and brainstorming about this whole vlogging adventure and how to take this idea and actually turn it into something manifest. So something worth watching. All right, check you guys in a bit. Bye. Coffee check. This place is packed this morning, but I'm determined I'm gonna get some work done. I'm here at the ReStore to pick up that oven. I was here just the other day. I was looking for a tub, didn't find a tub, but I found an oven. So I'm gonna go see if I can negotiate them down on the price just a little bit and pick that up. So this is what I have to do for a discount, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now step back to the 15.
I get a bigger discount. Right?
Yeah.
I don't know about this.
Oh my God.
That was a rim shot. Okay, so that was fun. I got a 10% discount. I didn't get the 15% shot, but they're gonna help me load it up now. All right, we're loaded up. These guys are awesome. They're fun. All right, I'm back. And we have an oven in tow. So there we go. Mission accomplished. That part. Next. So we made pretty good progress. It's all queued up and ready to go in the truck as soon as Jim gets off work. So I got it sorted in order of most highest priority. Get as much as we can get, but I think we got everything out of there. So yeah, now I'm gonna go get us packed.